Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a quick 5-minute look. So how I came about doing this look is I'm about to go to camp with my little girl and I need something that's quick and easy and doesn't take a lot of time. And it also made me think, I see all these people going on beach vacations, and this would be the perfect thing if you're going on a beach vacation and you don't want to put a lot of effort into your makeup, but you still want your skin to look healthy and glowy. This is the video for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I put on my face was this sunscreen right here. This is by Josie Maran. It's just her Argan Daily Moisturizer with SPF of 47. So I know I'm going to be outside a lot, so I definitely want to double up on my sunscreen. So the foundation I picked, also because I'm going to be outside a lot, is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. It's a color correcting full coverage cream, plus it has anti-aging and hydrating serum in it, but it has an SPF of 50, and that's what that looks like. And since we're going to be outside, having extra SPF on won't hurt. So I'm just putting about that much right there on my sponge. And I do that about 3 times and I cover my whole face with that. This foundation is one of my top foundations. I may actually wear this when we renew our vows just because my skin looks so good with it. Glowy and healthy. So I just love wearing this one. And they even have one that is a little more glowy than this one is. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm super tempted to get it and try it as well. And if you're not into the glowiness, they do have a matte version as well, but this is just the, I guess, normal version of it. Okay, so I got that all over my skin, so now I'm going to use a little bit of concealer, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Incognito concealer in light medium. So like I said, this is going to be quick, fast, in a hurry. I don't want to spend a lot of time doing makeup. I'm going to be taking care of several kids along with some other ladies, and I'm going to have to get up even earlier than them. So I'm not trying to get up any earlier than 6. So plus I want to get a little 30-minute workout in. So I've got to have something that's going to be quick, easy, and not make me have to think a lot about it. And also with all this, I'm only using 3 brushes and a sponge. So this would be a great thing to travel with, especially if you're going on a beachy kind of vacation. I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Nude Highlighter Palette, and that is what it looks like. But it's got your bronzer and then 2 highlighters, and then this one I'm actually going to use to set underneath my eyes and see how that does. I used this the other day and it seemed to work actually very well as a under eye powder. So now I'm taking a fluffier brush like this. That's about how big it is. Pretty sure this is by Mally, but it's by Mally. I've had it for a while. And I'm going to use this color right here. I'm just going to swirl it around in there. Just kind of tap it off and just warm up the sides of my face. And this, even though I was kind of worried about the size of it because it is a little tiny. It's got plenty of pigment with it and it goes on really well. I literally only go around my face once and it's done. It blends easy. See? Done. Good color on your face. So now I'm just going to go back in with that same brush I used before. Let's use this highlighter right here. And it's a beautiful, see that? It's a very pretty highlighter. Forgot my mirror, so I'm having to look at my screen. Of course, go down my face. That's it. And of course, I'm going to tap over it with this just to make sure there's no harsh lines, just like that. And then go back in with that first blush and just hit it over the top. I didn't put anything else on it, just going back over it so it blends a little better. And then using the same palette, I'm going to dip into that shade again and just hit the crease of my eye, just so my eyes have a little bit of definition with them. Not a lot, but just so your face isn't, monochrome. And as you can see, they work really well on the eye as well. I've just tapped in the palette twice for each side, and that's it. So I'm going to use this shade right here. I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger and just tap that just on this first part of my eye, just so it's a little different and a little bit highlighted right there. See, nothing major, just a little bit, and then just go back in with that brush and just run over it. So face, eyes done. And now I got this in my BoxyCharm. I've never been a brow person. Had to go grab a mirror real quick. So this is, ooh, I'm going to butcher this name. I'll just show it to you. This is the name of it. And this is it has the eye pencil on this side, which I love the slanted eye pencils like this. But what I love about it is it has a pomade on this side. And that's what it's a bigger brush. The ones I've always used have a small brush. And to me, I don't know, I'm just not that crazy about them. But look, this is what my eyebrows look like right now. And I'm just going to comb this through super quick. But I was just playing around the other day. Oop, I got some on my eye. And just ran this through my brows just to see what it will look like on its own. And I've literally done it the past couple days because it's super easy. That's it. Don't pay attention to that. We'll get off in just a second. But literally, that's all I did. And it gives it just enough definition that you can see them. Because like right now, it's kind of, well, I mean, you can see the difference. But right now, this one has like makeup on it and stuff like that. This just combs right through it and gives just enough definition to just help your look put together. Because to me, your brows and your eyelashes are what make your face. If you don't do anything but brows and eyelashes, you're good. So since I know I'm going to be around water a lot, I definitely want to use a waterproof mascara. So I'm going to take this one right here, the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Proof Mascara. And of course, this is the waterproof one. And this is what it looks like with just one coat. So if I'm in a big hurry trying to get stuff done, I'm only going to throw on one coat. Plus, we're going to be running around playing. I just need a little bit of definition, not like, over the top eyelashes. So last but not least, I'm going to take this Bare Minerals. It is their plumping lip gloss in 24 karat. And I'm just going to put this on, give my lips a little bit of shimmer. To me, this is like perfect tropical beachy lip color. Just like that. And ladies, you are done. Out the door, you look put together, your eyes stand out a little bit from the mascara and just a little bit of contouring this. Your cheeks look just a little more chiseled just because they got that warmth on them. It kind of almost has like that sun-kissed, I cannot talk. It kind of just has like that sun-kissed glow to it. So that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you hadn't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And I'll see you next time. Bye.